Yeah,
He
yeah.
came for the DM entrance exam in PGI at that
Yes,
time.
but he did his MD also from Lady Harding. Ask him.
No, sir. MD, MD I did from Lady Harding. Yes, sir.
Oh, I know,
MD
yaar. I'll tell you what you did. Yaar. I don't forget, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. MD,
I didn't forget that girl also, Meena.
Yes, sir.
She ran away.
Yes,
Yeah.
So the moral of the story is, if you don't want to join PGI, don't come anywhere near. You can't come and leave that place. You will be remembered
See, I
lifelong.
always see one thing is very clear. I always consider AIMS as I would, if ever I would start a exchange program between AIMS and PGI residents, because our way of learning, our way of teaching is different. Unfortunately, two iconic institutes are going as parallel lines. You understand that. Besides this program, there is nothing common between the two now. I think we've got to start this exchange program where 2 months your residents come to us and 2 months our residents come to you. If not 2 months, 1 month at least. So that you see, you understand, when you go from one room to another, the two rooms are different. These institutes are totally different. And I just fail to understand why no one has got this idea. There should be an exchange program. Padma?
मैडम आपके लिए सवाल. I think madam can't hear, I think.
You pass it on to her, okay? Right?
Yes.
So that's important. I feel there should be an exchange program, because whenever I come there, I realize that there are many things which are not there with us, and vice versa. So you also know it, Vishnu. You both are
Yes,
our.
sir, absolutely.
So
Absolutely,
that's
sir.
good. You and Anu, that's right. So I'm very happy that you all did exceptionally well, and this has been a fantastic program. This has been, of all the three, programs, this one gets the cake. I don't know whether we'll be able to match you next year, but this one certainly, for the time being, takes the cake, and I'm absolutely delighted to be here as part of this program.
We hope that every new session will better the previous session, sir. That's our
We will try to. We'll do our best. We'll try and do whatever little we can do. But this has been a fantastic program. I am absolutely delighted, honest, that it's been a great program. And I must confess that my residents have learned a lot. As Dr. Parma correctly pointed out, our exams, residents are exam going on the 1st. So this would have been a very good brush up for them. A brushing up exercise. And Rupa, well done. Over to you, Padma, for the closing remarks.
Madam is muted. I don't know. I mean, Shweta, can you see? Madam is not able to unmute, I think. She's trying to unmute, but she's not able to do.
Sir, send her a request to unmute. Ma'am, please accept.
Asta, good evening, Asta.
Madam, please. Madam, a request has been sent to
I didn't understand your lecture, Asta. You got to give me a lecture in like a student now. 1 hour मेरा सिर खाना तूने मेरी समझ में नहीं आया तेरा lecture. It was very.
Sorry, sir.
And this is when you taught me already. You already taught me for half an hour. Yeah.
I would request, sir, Anu Madam to say a few words, because she is the one who had toiled the whole for the last couple of months. I think I should say a few words. Anu Madam.
First of all, I would like to thank our course directors, Professor Padma and Professor Lal, for having faith in me and Dr. Vishnu. And it actually happened over a cup of tea in the canteen when it was being discussed who will do the next update. So me and Vishnu were sitting. Vishnu said, "Oh, Anu will do."
He's very clever. Yeah.
It was I had just joined. I mean, it was just, I think, not even 1 month. And I was very happy that ma'am had such faith in me. And of course, Lal sir seconded her. And we were able to bring up this show. And I think, as sir and ma'am have said, it's a collective effort. All the faculty and all the residents have actually contributed wholeheartedly. Without them, this program could not have been a success. So it's actually come, from the heart and hard work of all the faculty and all the residents. So it actually come. And thanks a lot to the Neurological Society and the technical team for the excellent support. And thank you to my co-organizer, Dr. Vishnu. He's been the backbone and he's been the, guiding pillar. And he's guided me at each and every step from his experience of the first update. And Dr. Vishnu can add.
Yeah, see, the first update was more tougher one, because it was everything from Jadu Boja to doing everything I had to do by myself at that point of time. But this was much easier for me because I had to sit in the back seat and take all the credit for not doing anything much. So that was one. And I would thank all of one, including all the faculty from other department, Dr. Ajay Garg, and the invited faculty, Dr. Neera, Dr. Debashish, Dr. Vinay Goyal, and all the faculty from AIIMS and PGI who has wholeheartedly done their effort. And they have done a brilliant effort. It's not each lecture, the amount of time I can see, the amount of time has been put into each lecture. There are ways of just doing a lecture by putting a time and not putting your heart into a lecture. Everyone has put a heart into the lecture, and all of our residents and across India, not from here, we have been having more than 12,000 views on YouTube for our lectures, and we have 1,700 unique registrations. So it has been an amazing response. I personally didn't expect this much response from all over India. I mean, it's been actually a humbling experience that so much faith that people across India have on AIIMS and PGI faculty that they're tuning to listen to their lectures. And especially the case-based discussion, all the cases were really great, and all the exam going and the previous batches who participated in the debates were excellent. And the exam going residents, I think I know how much tension you have, even though just before exams to sit through it. Even though you say that you learn from this, you want a time of your own to study for exams, but still you sat through it, and I seriously hope that you will more benefit than sitting and reading and listening to these lectures. And all the exam going residents, and particularly the 4 organizers, Priyanka, Snigdha, Anand, and Dibender, who had been there throughout it, and we didn't have much to do. They were the one who were comparing and organizing and taking the Q&A session for them, and all the audience across India and abroad. So thanks for making this a huge success. And thanks to Dr. Anu and Dr. Course Directors, Dr. Lal Sir and Padma Ma'am for this absolutely wholehearted support that we could do it in 1 week. 1 week is a long time to do it. I mean, if it extends one more time, my wife is going to kick me out of the house. So this is the last.
That's for sure. That's for sure. Yeah.
I mean, so it's been all evening for the last 1 week has been fully into it. I've never attended in my whole life a conference from the first lecture to last lecture. Even the first conference which I had organized, I was in and out of the lecture halls. This is the one conference I've attended from the first to last. I don't think ever it will happen again in my life, but it is an amazing experience, and thanks to everyone. Thanks to, I think that's
Vishnu. I think it's coming to a close. It's been a fantastic effort. We are going to take your help, your and Anu's help and Rupa's help next time when we do it. But actually, It's been a fantastic effort. It's been a fantastic effort, and it's been without a glitch. The important thing is it's been without a glitch. I just got a WhatsApp from someone in the United Arab Emirates. I don't know how he got hold of this program. And he says he's been attending webinars for the last 8 months. He says this is the best. This is the best.
Yes, sir. And that the whole credit goes to our backup team who under the aegis of PGI Neurology Society. I mean, we had an amazing backup team from Arun Chadda and Shweta and Gaurav, everyone. And we thank everyone for all their support. And it was because we didn't have to have any glitches throughout the thing. Everything was
no glitch at all. It is a phenomenal success, I'm telling you. God bless you all.
Yeah.
Right. And today's video sessions were the icing on the cake. Oh my God. It was fantastic.
The next time, I think when you do it, sir, you should give 1 hour to the video sessions.
I will do it. 1 hour minimum. 1 hour. Because you see, a video session always has to be a video session. You have to take the audience along, and we'll do that. Of course, that's when we'll cross the bridge when it comes. But yes, that's for sure. We have taken this first suggestion from you in toto. Done. That's it. Double tick. Right? Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your hard work. And all the residents, best of luck. Best of luck. 8 exam going, 3 exam goings in PGI. I hope all 11 pass. God bless you all. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. You're logging in. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.